Hi everyone, my name is Vladimir Gortsev. I've been into trading for many years now. A few years ago, I created a training course for novice traders, which I shared with everyone free of charge. It contains the essential information for beginners, and a comprehensive description of my personal strategies. These strategies are time-tested and I share them for free. The link to the course is in the description of this video. The lessons are sent automatically every 24 hours and remain at your disposal. You can watch them again anytime. In this video, I will show you the trades that I made using the strategy based on price impulses that occur on price charts. This trading strategy is also described in the course, and you can learn how to implement it using free demo accounts. In the description, I have shared the links to the official websites of both brokers, the accounts of which I used for trading in this video. Both brokers offer free demo accounts to learn and practice. This is highly useful for a trading course. These demo accounts will help you put the knowledge you gained into practice. Let's get down to trading. The first market situation that I want to show you unfolded on a 2-minute chart. This means that, according to the rules of the strategy, the time frame of the trade must also be equal to 2 minutes. We see a strong downward price momentum. A long candle closes below the filter level, which I described in detail in the corresponding lesson of the course. As the 2-minute candle closes, I enter into a 2-minute call option right away. Let me remind you that according to the rules of the strategy, trades are made strictly at the moment of candle closing and they are directed opposite to the impulse. In 2 minutes, the price moved up, and the trade is now profitable. There were no complications in this situation. Here we already see the chart of the Quotex broker and a 1-minute time frame. The momentum consists of several candles with small bodies, as well as 2 candles with long bodies. This means that the price has increased the rate of decline over the last 2 minutes. The momentum has intensified. As soon as the second long candle closed, I entered into a 1-minute call option. When the trade closes with a loss, I enter into the second option of the series. Its cost is 3 times higher than the cost of the previous contract. The expiration remains the same, 1 minute. I have no more than 6 trades in a series, and with different expiration. You can find out more about this money management strategy in my free course. During the second minute, the price attempted to rise. As a result, even a small upward price correction was sufficient to bring profit. This is a huge advantage of this financial market. The income from a transaction does not depend on how many points the price passes in the direction we have chosen. After only a 2-minute wait, I saw a continuation of the impulse on the chart. This situation allows me to re-enter the market. Since the minute candle that closed my last trade was practically bodiless, it does not matter in the process of momentum forming on the chart. After this bodiless candle, a new candle with a long body appeared on the chart, in the direction of the momentum. As soon as it closed, I bought a 1-minute call option again. It all went well, the trade closed with a profit. Again, a powerful price momentum directed downwards. The first candle had almost no body, so I did not count it as part of the momentum. The second and third candles had long bodies. If after them another long red candle appeared on the chart, then I would have already made a transaction. But the next candle had a small body, so I stood by for the next candle. Since the new candle was not long, but rather with a medium-sized body, I waited for another candle to appear on the chart and only after that, I entered the market. The price kept on moving downwards, so I geared up for the next trade. The second trade, which lasted 2 minutes, ended with a positive result, although the price reversal was minimal. Still, it was enough to make a profit. Let's see how the current trade closes and then we'll move on to the next market situation. Now we have an impulse, which consists of 2 candles with medium-sized bodies, as well as 1 longer candle. When it closes, I enter into a 2-minute put option. By the way, I have already stacked up some videos with news trading on my channel. There I employ one of the most precise strategies ever. You can now see the link to one such video with news trading in the top right corner. I highly recommend checking it out. The first $10 trade closed with a loss. As you have already grasped, I immediately entered into the second option for $30. The previous 2-minute candle was almost bodiless. This means that the market began slowing down. Even although the price attempts to make its way up, the transaction will close with a profit now. We will have to use part of the income to cover the costs of the first transaction. The price momentum that we see on the chart consists of a large number of unidirectional candles. I was in no hurry to enter the market precisely because of the size of these candles. The momentum lacked acceleration. When it happened in a long candle closed on the chart, I bought a 2-minute put option, since the time frame of the chart was also 2 minutes. Almost in the blink of an eye, the price turned downwards and all I had to do was hang on and wait for the current trade to close with a profit. On this chart, we can see how 1-minute candles form. The candle after which I make a trade is not the longest one. Until the last second, I watched how the body of the candle would turn out in order to decide whether to enter the market or not. I entered into a 1-minute trade. The market began to decline confidently, so I did not face any difficulties here. On the other hand, I cannot say that this is the best trading situation on the chart due to the medium length of the last green candle. This example clearly shows that the strategy filter saves us from hasty transactions. The upward impulse consists of 6 green candles. I made a transaction as the 6th candle closed. This was not possible earlier due to the filter. I will share the link to the video about the filter in the top right corner. Check it out if you have not taken my free course yet. As the market continued rising, I got ready for entering into the second trade for $60, and I opened a position after the unsuccessful exit of the first option. Now you can see how events in the market unfolded further. The deal closed with a profit, we can move on to the next one. Here we see a fast momentum, which now has the longest candle. I wait for it to close and make a trade in the direction of correction, which is up. The previous candles were either with small bodies or with medium-sized bodies. As the price turned upwards and corrected after a strong price momentum, the option closed successfully without any problems. Thank you for watching this video to the end. In the description of the video, I have shared links to both brokers, as well as to my original free trading course for beginners. If you have not started it yet, I highly recommend doing so.